Bro, did you know that Indians are set to become Australia's largest group of foreign students? And मैं तो शॉक हो गया था भाई जब मुझे पता लगा कि 96,000 Indians were studying in Australia last year.
भाई कनाडा भी कम नहीं है, राइट? इन अ मैटर ऑफ 10 years, the number of international students who have enrolled for master's program have actually increased from 1,42,000 to 3,89,000. और परसेंटेज चाहिए तो it has been increased from 7.2% to 17.8%.
अच्छा भाई, Australian government is investing more than 200 million in terms of scholarships for international students every year. And you also get an easy work permit and a PR as well. Plus, Australia is becoming one of the booming destinations for international students, offering some of the fanciest 5 to 6 figure salaries with top recruiters like Goldman Sachs, Google, and IBM, to name a few.
अरे मेरे कंगारू, रिक्रूटर्स तो हमेशा कॉमन ही रहते हैं. पता है कनाडा में अमेजॉन, मेटा एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट रिक्रूट करते हैं. रहने दे, नहीं पता होगा तुझे अभी. Hey guys, my name is Anubhav.
And my name is Kevin, and we both are study abroad experts at MIM SA and Mentor Me. वैसे यार तेको लास्ट वीडियो याद है USA और UK वाली?
हो गया तेरा?
नहीं. Today I'm on the Australian side.
And I am on the Canadian side. And let's see which country is better for your masters.
So in today's video, we'll be doing an in-depth comparison between both these countries. We'll talk about PR, work permit, visa acceptance rates, and which has better ROI and a lot more.
But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to MIMSA to get the latest study abroad updates. Let's begin. Cost of living से शुरू करते हैं. When we talk about cost of living, तुझे पता है Canada is way cheaper than Australia. अगर cost of living index की भी बात करें, Canada is having somewhere around 67.75 और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का somewhere around 72.8.
चलो वो तो ठीक है.
अच्छा.
पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट का क्या? ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 5 साल का मिलता है.
भाई डिपेंड करता है, इट्स बीन रीजन टू रीजन. वेयर इन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कनाडा, अगर आपका प्रोग्राम इट्स मोर देन 16 months यू गेट 3 years ऑफ स्टे बैक. एंड लेट्स जस्ट सपोज इफ द प्रोग्राम इज लेस देन 16 months, जितना आपका ड्यूरेशन है उतना आपका स्टे बैक पीरियड है. समझ में आया?
भाई फिर भी कम ही है.
Okay, so when we talk about the visa acceptance rate, as per the report of 2021, Canadian government actually declared that for the visa acceptance rate for the international applicants was somewhere around 87.25%.
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्या? 95%.
But PR का पता है? The PR acceptance rate for Canada is 2 times than that of Australia. तो भाई तू सोच, लोग क्यों नहीं प्रेफर करेंगे कनाडा. और अब केविन, टॉप स्कूल्स की बात करें, UBC, IB, रॉटमैन, शुलिच, भाई टॉप स्कूल्स हैं. QS रैंकिंग देखिए इनकी.
भाई यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेलबर्न का क्या? और इन सब के स्कूल की फीस का क्या? जो कैनेडियन स्कूल्स हैं उनकी फीस अराउंड 60 lakhs होती है और ऑस्ट्रेलियन स्कूल्स का MBA तुम्हारा 40-45 lakhs में हो जाता है.
बट यार व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द टॉप स्कूल्स, भाई रैंकिंग देख कहाँ है ऑस्ट्रेलियन स्कूल्स. बट हे गाइस, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ROI, राइट, बी इट बी कनाडा और बी इट बी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, टेक एनी कंट्री, राइट, it actually offers you a good amount of ROI. Agree?
Definitely. So basically, Canada is known for its finance roles and Australia is known for more of its consulting roles. It depends upon what you want to do exactly. Canadian schools will give you an ROI somewhere around like 57 lakhs per annum. And similarly, Australian schools will give you somewhere around 52 lakhs per annum.
So at the end, right, if you choose any particular country, you should always aim for some of the top tier institution from that respective country.
वरना भाई 40-50 लाख लगा के बेकार स्कूल में पढ़ने का क्या फ़ायदा?
True.
इससे बढ़िया तो अपनी एमिटी है. We hope you like this video and now you know what all is important so you can decide for yourself whether Australia is better for you or Canada. If you have any more questions, just leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe button.
But if you are still confused about which degree, country or school will be better choice for you, I would strongly suggest you go ahead and book a free 20-minute strategic session with us. You can find the link in the description below.
And in addition to that, we'll also help you with SOPs, essays, LOR resumes and even scholarships.